Hello, this is 1.1. This is installing Maya. As you can see, I'm going to go to Maya here. My Maya is already installed. We're good to go to start with the lesson. Alright, so first what we're going to do is we're going to create the polygon polygon cube. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to create. Now there's two ways you can do this. You can go to create polygon primitive and then put my cube, or an easier way to do this is you can go to the cube and press here. But what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go polygon primitive, click my cube. Now I'm going to zoom in with my mouse so you can see, okay, that it's shaded. So there's your cube. Now we need to go to the move tool. So we're going to click here. I'm going to click inside my box. I can go up. Go up. Click here. Click here, and I'm going to line it up with my axis, and I'm going to push it back because there's going to be an area where we have to make something larger. So next we're going to go with a polyplane. So I'm going to go create a polygon primitive. I'm going to click plane. Now we have our plane. Again, up, move forward, move backwards. Alright, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go create again, polygon primitive, and I'm going to hit spear. Now I'm going to move the spear. Of course I'm going to move it out, and I'm actually going to line it up with the axis about there. I'm going to take this as well. I'm going to move this up, but I'm going to move it kind of back because we're going to have to make this larger. As you can tell, the cube, the plane, and the spear are all lined up next to each other. Now what we want to do is we want to make the spear smaller. Oh, I'm sorry, we want to make the plane larger. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go here to my channel box. I'm going to go here, X, Y, and Z on the plane. We have 1. I'm just going to randomly do a number. I'm going to say 4. Tab 4 on the X, Y, and Z on each. Now once I hit enter, that makes it largest and that makes it bigger. I could have went with 6 or 8, but that would have made it a little too big. So there we have that. Next, what we want to do now is we want to have the spear. So I'm going to click on my spear here. Or actually I'm going to go click on it. I'm going back to my X, Y, and Z. I'm going to divide this in half, 2. So that would make that 0.5. Again, I'm going to tab it to go to the scale Y, 0.5. Again, I'm going to tab it again, 0.5. I'm going to hit enter. Now the spear is smaller. Now I'm going to go click up here just so now we have all fibers shaded. Now we want these to be wireframes, so I'm going to hit 4, and now that they're all wireframed. I'm not sure on the hotkeys as far as where they're at, but there is hotkeys. F1 through F12 would be the hotkeys, I believe. Now for the workspace Maya Classic here, what I do believe that means, or what I think that means, is that you can go and do a more traditional Maya back from one of the previous. Not sure. Now you have here, if you look, you have your channel box, your modeling toolkit, and your attribute editor. I'm just going to go back here to bring back this up. Now, in the event if you mess up, what you can do is you can go to your edit. Now you see undo select. That's basically if you messed up. So if you put something too small, you can always hit undo. It's always going to let you undo your last action that you done. That is my Maya update activity. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.